Where's my coffee? Oh, it's right between the hair extension forest through the beauty product trees. Of course, how did I not know? Previously on MontanaDanna, I started moving into an apartment, spent my last night in the trailer, and today we are cleaning and organizing. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Good morning, friends. It was my last night in the trailer. I spent all day yesterday just moving stuff from my trailer into my new apartment. I went to storage, and this is now the situation. Hello back there. How are you doing? I just want to go grab coffee real quick. This is what we're twerking with. I didn't sleep in my apartment last night because, one, I need to wash my bedding. It is a hand-me-down bed. The previous renter left it there, so I'm gonna wash that. But also, they just installed carpets yesterday, so it smells like carpet glue. I didn't want to sleep in there. But I'm going to figure out some way to get out of here. Excuse me. So I can then, excuse me. I can't even step on the ground. Oh God. I can't wait for this situation to be done with. Anyway, I'm just going to go grab a quick coffee and get back to work. Okay, we're gonna make it. I got a literal 37,000 steps in yesterday, and I was wearing sandals all day. I need to find the box with my running shoes. Ow, my feet hurt. So on days like today, where I have a lot of moving and packing to do, I'm pausing on my goals just because it's like a gotta get her done situation. Have to get everything out of storage by tomorrow. So I'm gonna be just working all day the next 2 days. So what I'm gonna focus on today is staying hydrated and fed, because yesterday I hardly ate anything, and I definitely didn't drink enough fluids, especially for the amount of heat that's coming through St. George right now. So I am gonna get my morning goal in though, which is steps, nature, and sunshine. It doesn't have to be a perfect 30-day glow up, but the whole point of doing a 30-day glow up is to do things every day that are gonna make you feel good over time, and getting in a bunch of steps and getting organized in an apartment is going to drastically glow up my life. So this month has been crazy already, like the things that are aligning. I'm feeling better mentally, physically. I have a lot more energy, and I'm moving into an apartment. Wow, a lot can happen in a very short amount of time. I'm gonna go see my friends over here at Starbucks. Mandy, Taylor, Yarrow, Monica. What is this, an episode of Friends? I'm gonna go see them and grab my morning coffee. Check out my fit this morning. You like it? Is it a good look? Sometimes I even surprise myself on what I will wear into public. I never used to be like that until VanLife. Like, my give a F's just went missing somewhere between Washington State and Georgia. It was Mandy today. Okay, so what is the etiquette on like asking someone out for a friend date? Because I love Mandy. I feel like we would hang and get along. She's so funny. Is that appropriate? Should I just slide her my number? Just low-key slide it in there. This reminds me, I need to go in and see my Ace Hardware friends. I lost a couple bolts on my keyboard. I can't imagine why. I've been driving all around with the keyboard set up, so it got jiggled and wiggled loose. So gonna go do that later. Also later, we're gonna go into storage, but first I'm gonna organize as much stuff as I can that I've already put into the apartment, and then I think Bike Path Crush is gonna help me carry my furniture into the apartment, so I'm gonna tidy it up a little bit and get to cleaning. Okay, so these are the bolts I'm talking about. Do you see? They got very jiggled loose. Maybe I can just put 2 in each, transfer some around. I feel like I already did that once though. That one's like completely coming off, so. The crazy thing is this is all the stuff I was traveling with. I still have more in storage, but check this out. Oh my gosh. I can actually just come in and grab the pair of shoes I want. I don't have to unload 15 boxes, open a box to have a box within a box to find the pair of shoes that I want. Hallelujah. Life is good. It looks like so much. It's 90% clothing, so once I get stuff hung up, it will be way easier. This is all clothes in here, right? All clothing. Gotta keep cracking. Where's my coffee? Oh, it's right between the hair extension forest through The beauty product trees, of course. How did I not know? Mmm, yummy. I need to wash these hair extensions in purple shampoo. I want to get the lavender rocking again. They have a very orangey hue, so I like to do purple shampoo so they match a little better. But like, what do we have in here? Clothes, onesies, musical instruments. Like, I have a lot of stuff. I'm ready to get rid of it. But then every time I want to get rid of something, I'm like, oh, I'll use that for Influencer the Musical, because like the onesies could definitely do something with those. I have a second bedroom, so it's basically gonna be storage for all my props and yarn, and it'll be nice in there. I'll have a coat hanging rack so I can take out all the outfits that I need for the week or whatever and just hang them up. Easy to grab. Oh my gosh, my life. My life just did a total 180 and it's starting to set in. Yesterday I was just like shooketh, just in shock all day. Like, is this really happening? I kept pinching myself. It's happening. I've been wanting to wear this dress and I've thought about it maybe 10 times, but I need to sew the little strap back on. I've never worn it and the strap broke, but how cute is this? I'm gonna sew it real quick, like right now, or else it'll never get done. The only thing was my sewing kit was in a box, under a box, under a box, inside a box, inside another box. So that is why I have not sewn this yet. It'll take maybe 5 minutes. Little baby scissors. I also have a sewing machine and I'm gonna try and recreate my favorite dress ever because I want it in like every color of the rainbow. It's very flowy, very comfy. It wraps around, so if I have a very delicious meal, I can loosen the waist. It's great. But I'm gonna try and sew a couple more versions of that, and I'm going to take my old clothes and use the fabric from my old clothes, so I don't have to spend any money and I can upcycle my fabric. It's a very exciting day. That took a literal 2 minutes. And now I have a dress. Okay, so every time I walk around the corner, I scare the absolute crap out of myself. Watch this. Trolley lolly la, we're just folding clothes, putting it away. Oh, I think I need something. And come around the corner and I think it's a person standing there every single time. So I'm going to unveil my fiddly fig trees. Is it time for the grand unveiling? I think it is. She needs a little love. She needs a little bit of love. She's been sitting in a hot Utah storage apartment for 3 years. I am sorry, baby. I am sorry. I love it. If I could do a real fiddle leaf, I would, but I don't have much confidence that I could keep it alive with my current workflow and such. Oh yeah, she just needs a little little massage. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. I love it. I just love it so much. Oh, whoops. I am sorry. It's missing one. There we go. Do you fit right in there? Oh, you do. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You know, sometimes when you don't know how stressed you are until you're not stressed and like the weight lifts and you're like, oh wow, I was really going through something. I feel like second by second, this like overarching dark cloud of stress, it's just lifting. It feels good. It feels so good. We also have our banana leaf friend. 3 years. Looking pretty good after 3 years. Maybe I'll get a little steamer and like, yes, she cute. That definitely happened in storage, but I'm gonna put this in a basket so you won't be able to see that. It's fine. But wait, there's more. There is a third one over here. It seems like a lot, but one in each room, living room, and both of the bedrooms. Okay, I need 11 of these guys, so I'm gonna run to Ace Hardware, see my friends. The closet is done, hallelujah. I'll deal with that later. All right, I need to go out to my car because everything I took out of storage yesterday is probably scorching in there, so gonna get some shoes. Also, I have to unscrew all of the furniture in there because BPC is helping me move that into the apartment. What an exciting day. This should go pretty fast, and then I don't have to do out today. Yeah, that's a fair trade. Taking a shower break. I didn't even video what I have for breakfast. We went on a long walk this morning and I forgot my phone, but I just had the same yogurt bowl from yesterday and I added in collagen peptides, so I have not eaten a second meal, so I'm pretty hungry, but I'm gonna go shower and then I'll see you after. I recently found my iced tea container in storage, so I'm gonna be making iced tea and sun tea all summer long. I'm doing a big batch of this raspberry rose hibiscus tea. It is so delicious. Added in raw honey while it was still warm, and just gonna be sipping on this all summer long. We ordered Chipotle for dinner. I'm going to get dessert and a kombucha. I really didn't do as much as I thought I was going to do today. We may or may not have watched a couple episodes of Game of Thrones. It's Saturday. Definitely got in my steps, and carrying all those bags felt like a workout. It was like at least a half an hour of doing that. So I feel like I did something today, but definitely hungry. I'm kind of just scrapping my goals for the next couple days. I want to get unpacked and organized. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. Check back tomorrow. Gonna be going through my storage stuff and spending the next several days packing, organizing, all the good things. I just did a Chipotle bowl for dinner, relaxed a bit for the rest of the evening. If you made it this far in the video, write hibiscus down in the comments and I'll write you back. I'll see you tomorrow.